What do you ask for?
Your Honor, we are seeking for time.
You have not done.
We have not. Yes, Your Honor.
Unaelewa Kiswahili? Unaelewa Kiswahili?
We are still ongoing with the investigations, Your Honor. And from the time that we arrested the respondents, the time has been insufficient to enable us conclude investigations, Your Honor. We are still in the process of recovering more exhibits, Your Honor. We also want, Your Honor, to conduct a DNA test on the respondents for comparison with the exhibits recovered, Your Honor. Your Honor, the investigation is mobile since we are moving from one point to another in respect to redocumenting the initial suspect's movement. Your Honor, also owing to the number of victims that fell to the crime, we pray that we'll be given time to be able to conduct postmortems. We'll also be causing the conduct of a mental assessment on the accused persons, on the respondents, Your Honor. Sir.
First respondent, have you heard? Any comment? You have understood and you have no comment. So that means that you have no objection to that application. Second respondent. In Kiswahili. Any objection or any comment? Sorry? See that the gravity of the offense being investigated and the fact as explained by the investigating officer that the investigations cover a large area including outside the jurisdiction of this court. I've also considered that if the suspects are released, their lives may be in danger due to the gravity of the offense. Besides, the two minors who are siblings to the first respondent may also be in danger if the suspects are released. The investigations remaining also require substantial time to be completed. But to cap it all, the suspects say they have understood the application and they have no objection to that. So in the circumstances, I allow the application for remand as prayed regarding the police stations indicated, and I remand them for a period of 14 days. So they come for mention on, let's count 14 days from today. For mention on 25th January. Thank you.